Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Last week, a significant regulatory tremor originated from Brussels that is set to redefine the future of artificial intelligence in medical devices. The European Commission released new draft guidance on the interpretation of the EU MDR specifically for software as a medical device, or SAMD, that uses adaptive AI algorithms. This isn't just another document. It's a fundamental shift in regulatory focus from pre-market validation to continuous real-world performance monitoring. The new guidance places a heavy emphasis on model drift and explainability. Regulators are now demanding that manufacturers not only prove their AI is safe and effective at the time of launch, but that they have a robust system to monitor its performance and degradation in real time, post-market. Let's consider a real-world example. A Spanish startup recently launched an AI-powered diagnostic tool for ophthalmology that detects early signs of diabetic retinopathy. They achieved their CE mark last year based on a fixed, validated algorithm. Under the new guidance, their work is far from over. Because their algorithm learns from new data, they must now continuously prove that its diagnostic accuracy doesn't degrade as it encounters diverse patient populations outside of the initial clinical trial data. This requires a massive investment in post-market clinical follow-up, or PMCF, infrastructure. They need systems to capture real-world data, retrain models, and manage version control, all under the watchful eye of their notified body. This creates an enormous operational and financial burden that many innovators were not prepared for. This new guidance signals that the era of black box AI in medicine is officially over in the EU. Companies can no longer just present impressive accuracy scores from a clinical trial. They must now be able to explain how their model arrives at a decision and demonstrate its stability over the entire product lifecycle. This is a challenge, but it is also an opportunity for companies that build their quality management and regulatory systems around this principle of lifecycle vigilance. For medtech companies navigating these complex, evolving regulations, understanding how these changes impact their global market access strategy is critical. If you have questions about what this means for your product portfolio, you can reach out for a consultation by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting us at pureglobal.com.